In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can create mini world photos of countries with their flag just like this. So without further ado, let's dive straight in. So go to your preferred browser and search for Bing Image Creator. For this browser, I'm going to be using the Google Chrome, and I'm just going to proceed to search for Bing Image Creator. And once you search it, you are going to tap on this first guy right here. So you are going to be required to sign in, but I'm already signed into my account. A video on how to sign into an account on Bing is included in the description of this video, so check it out today if you don't have an account on Bing. So next step is to bring in your prompt that you want to use to create the image. The prompt I'm using right now is included in the description of this video as well, so you can go there and check it out so you can use it to create your own. We just have to tap on create right now, and within 2-3 seconds we have our image ready. Okay, so let's quickly try out something else. Let's just edit the name of the country out and put another country of our choice to see what it's going to create for us. Okay, let's say Nigeria, capital city with flag on a cube. So we tap on create, and in 2-5 seconds we have our image ready. Just tap on the image to view it, and to download it, just click there's 3 dots at the right hand side of your screen and tap on download, and it will download to your phone. So that is all about it. For more videos like this on how to prompt trending images, check out the description of these videos. And if you love this type of content, please hit the subscription button, turn on notification, and share this video to others that might find it helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next as usual.